Okay, thank you very much. And as Eriko Sensei told, our topics are clean water, reduced inequalities, and peace justice. And in our discussion, if we think globally, we should say the relationships are co-beneficial or neutral. But if we specify these relationships in country level, we notice that the relationship becomes context dependent. So, for example, this target means protect and restore water-related ecosystem. On the other hand, this is the reducing vulnerability to climate shock. We can say, for example, this is a trade-off because reducing the vulnerability we can achieve reducing vulnerability by building a dam, but if it might sacrifice the ecosystem, natural ecosystem, so it makes difficult to achieve restoring water-related ecosystem. But that is in country level context dependent. So. Actually, our conclusion is that we should specify the context. And for example, we should think in economic point of view or a social point of view, economical point of view, or cultural point of view. And first specify each viewpoint, and then conducting the systematic flowchart. That is the key point to conduct this analysis in good way. This is our conclusion.